What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? You know, alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. I don't feel no pain. Yeah? If you know feel some pain, call the doctor, check the doctor, make the doctor come check you. If you have the money, if you don't have the money, make somebody bring you to the doctor. Guys, remember if you do your wellness check, please, I'm begging you. Wellness check by your family, your friend, your cousin, your auntie, your brother, even your enemy. Yeah, man. And guys, remember Christmas has come and we want the Jamaicans to have a nice, guys, yes, we want to make them have a nice little Christmas. So watch all the ads, watch the video straight through so that means them can get to have a nice money, because the more money we make and the more we go send a little money, go give them down at Jamaica. Yeah, man. Right now, I have a little bit of money in the GoFundMe. $319. I think when we had up it's about $510. But, guys, Rumram that I feel, go and go chop down bush, because right now you need to go use your machete and chop down bush and look for your friend Maki. You need to go look for your friend Maki. I will leave a bush in the yard and chop down. Rumram, which part your friend Maki there? You know miss him? Are you and him a deal? Because a truck you're driving. So you can drive, go down to Florida, because you get a work for drop down to Florida, and you link up with him. Maybe that's why he not bother come out, because you get acquainted with him now. You link up with him and you and him know which part you want to meet. At some gym or at some sitting and look on a thick body. Because remember, you say your body thick and tough and can't take joke. Yeah, you like a faggy boy. Where you man there? Me need you to come out, come tell us where is your like a stallion man where you are protect, cause me never see a man, a cuss, a woman fear man. Me never see that yet in my life. From me born upon this earth, 53 years now, me never see a man, a cuss a woman, fear man yet, unless him a ishi. Me never see that yet in my life. And you break record. You break record, you broke record just like how you love it, broke bread and broke back. Imagine you cuss off the woman, fear man, because the woman never want to give her crutches and she never want to answer you in your DM. But all of a sudden, after me beat and teach you, all of a sudden, Alicia Kim come out and shut him up. But, by the way, I want to ask you a question. Do you know if him get that little piece of paper yet from that little man named Lawyer? Do you know if him get the paper yet? Did he tell you that he get the paper? Did he told you that he get that paper from that lawyer? Huh? Did he tell you? Huh? He never tell you. He not tell you. You know, they said dopey know if you frightened. One video Alicia Kim make. One video. And you need to go take up your machete and go chop bush look for your little boyfriend. You see how you attack and go on like you're one of them.
Me teeth.
Him better than Boo Lifestyle. Which part of your baby father better than Boo Lifestyle? Look pan Boo Lifestyle in a female and look pan for your baby father. You're lucky. A tired ear where she have pan her head. Woman head must frownsy. Who no move from here. And for them look crabble outs, for them look lice, for them look leech, for them look bed bug, for them look outside toilet roach. The big on his ear. The insect spray is ear.
Auntie go on with himself, you know. Me say, Mama Lashy, careless. But me out here, I wish downfall for AK. Because I sound like a boo body attorney, man. No, sir. Anyway, Mama Lashy, me just say to you, say, you can't get views otherwise. You know, have to come out here, come make up story and tell lie pan AK if you get views, man. You have to do better than that. Jesus Christ, man. You no go chuck out here, lift up in frack over your head and tear up body. Just to get views. You cannot be helped.
Girls, me never hear a man talk like how you talk and him and around this a man. Me never hear a man talk like how you talk and him and around this a man. But remember, say, Tressa did say, yes, you is a faggot. You and your little brother come out and come talk about me, a thief. And all of a sudden, your brother just start get donation. All of a sudden, is he own a Joan. All of a sudden, him have a Joan. Where you get Joan from? Just know it doesn't get American people money. Thief. And I never see that man yet in a car. I drive and I do video. Where you get gadget from? Tell me where you get them gadget from. All of a sudden, he start to buy all kind of gadget. When he start buy the gadget, just as soon as he start to get the donation money. Now, if he isn't the stupidest man on this planet called Earth, there is nobody else that's stupid. I wouldn't be buying nothing that I never owned if I was collecting those kind of money. Up to £11,000. And all of a sudden you own a Joan. Your little brother do that. Apparently there's a whole bunch of you. No wonder why. No wonder why you operate like you operate. All you want is to take advantage of the older women. Because you're scared. Or you done it already and no want to do it again. By incest. We don't know. Family member who you never know. Because member in a Rumram, you say your father have pitney all over the US, Canada and England. Because AKA your father a worker man. Your father a worthless man. Womanizer just like you. And that little dirty one we name Vibes. The whole of you a womanizer. By the way, you little dirty J Progress. Me no want you throw no shade for me. Me no want you throw no shade for me. I mean, I'll tell you why me no want you throw no shade for me. One, your back, CMR, and CMR allegedly touch in little stepdaughter, 13-year-old, and you back him. You say the little girl a tell lie. Then, when you go back and do, you go back and talk about how Chrissy and not even a whole of Yamel, and then you come back and do a next video and talk about how Chrissy must make it up, CMR must make it up. So you back the people who take advantage of the little 13-year-old. You can't talk to me, you know, brother. You, J Progress, you can't talk to me. And then, J Progress, you is a fan of Vybz Kartel. You're a big Vybz Kartel fan. And so they make you look like stupid. Because guess what happened? You make the Vendetta crew splice up a video and have Vybz Kartel and a man, and you talk about how Vybz Kartel have man a playing that ear just because of something you do and you used to. When all of a sudden the woman was there, but them splice it. J Progress, you of all person must not come out here come make no video about nobody. Because the woman they did it and you say that Vybz Kartel must be cancelled when the man then trick you, make you look like fool. You think nobody can do me that? Me do my homework first before me run out and make video. Now you come, you and your little dumb and dumbtress and dumb idiots come out and make all kind of video about classmate like, ah, look who I look friend. Me no beg friend. Me no beg friend can me go say what me have to say. So no a pick side. Yeah man, go on over upon classmate side. Cause me no depend nobody's side. Me depend my side. If a man do something, me go talk about it. Me not beg no friend cause you see when night come, me know which part me asleep. When night come, me know which part me asleep. And so me push me key in at the door, it a open. So when you come out, and I go make video, style yourself before you try to style me. Now, you, Rumram, Ambitious Jackie, Lady Quiche, and you Vybz. Me don't understand why you are asking me. You Mr. Humanizer, where disrespect woman. Every time you go on your channel, you disrespect woman. And the woman them over there, the essay, they came, the whole heap of them continuously watch you. Even people who was abused in them life growing up, still have you over there abuse women and still attack with you. And that's why I mean say a lot of you don't have no sense. Because remember, when you was abused by a man, and then you stand up beside another man who continuously to beat down, to abuse woman, that's just to show me who you really is in a life. I saw me talking when me talk. Me make sense when me talk. You don't have no respect for yourself when you go over Vybz channel and sit down on him channel and I listen to him and I laugh. While him a disrespect woman a talk about how much woman give him head and how much woman in tear down and over 2,000 woman here he have this with a them kind of things they don't like, and then you follow with Vybz and beat down Alicia Kim. Now me see him over there. I beat down Daddy Gargan. Because Daddy Gargan, I beat down colors. Yeah, that's all. So the thing is, that's all you want to live. Now let's talk about Vybz with Rosa. Vybz with Rosa. I'm going to say this to you. I see you make a video the other day. And it was a very cruel video. It was a very dirty video. It was a very low video that you make. When you stated if climber get whippings, then you have a little boy sit down on that thumbnail. In his back, there was whippings in his back. That's slavery. That's slavery mentality. And you bring slavery mentality in your video. That simply means what you are saying is that Colorsmith is a bucky master and Colorsmith over there is doing slavery, having this guy under pressure. But your friend, Joyful Julie, now see that? Your friend Joyful Julie, now see that? But guess what happened? The same man you make video over the other day talk about how good Colorsmith is the same man now you are bash about whippings. Well, it was the same man who you tried to get to have intercourse with while his wife was in Curacao on their vacation, their birthday vacation. That to show how weak and cheap you is. Vibes with Rosa. The only way to deal with you is to go hard and deep in your. I won't say that word. And because I'm not going to do that on my channel, you get where and you not get where yet. Because I'm going to find ways to turn it and spin it and put it out there. Remember that. Remember me say that, you know. Remember me say that. Me just now want to put it out there vulgar like that. Because remember what life you was really living into. Vibes with Rosa. Vibes with Rosa. Listen, me have your kids them. Make your video. Live. And this is the last time I warn you. This is the last time I warn you, you know. Last time I warn you. Vibes with Rosa. I warn you one time already. You still go put out video and still a chat me and still a do this and still a do that. But apparently, you claim say, me not have nothing upon you. That's what you say now. Remember that. Because there's nothing you say. Let me tell you something. Let me explain something to you. Do not tell Vibes your business. Hold on. Don't tell Vibes your business. Don't tell him. Because in can't hold water. Because all part-time body are leaks, so don't tell Vibes your business. But anyway, take it easy. One of them days, me go knock here and put everything out there. Everything out there on the board, and don't call me bluff. Don't do it. Do not do it. Also, remember that Curacao is a part of the Netherlands. Maybe you understand that part. Maybe you don't. But if you do understand what I mean, you may understand why I say it. Some viewers and subscribers, Rumram, Vibes with Rosa, Vibes, Lady Quiche, where is Maki? Where is Maki? That is the question. The number one question right now is where is Maki? Because how to beat Alicia Kim for Maki. And all of a sudden, Alicia Kim come out and Maki missing. So if Alicia Kim come out and Maki missing, Did that tell you something? Did that make any sense to you that what Maki was saying all along was a lie? And what Alicia Kim come out and say, no, wake him up and make him realize, oh, Alicia Kim will talk the truth. I wonder how you feel if you realize that Maki all along, you never hear me tell you no, say Maki a con man long time. Maki go as far as grip people. And even when the lady asked him to just take care, just help her with the little baby, he could not and would not even try. The woman did not report what happened. And you are going to tell me, allegedly, let me use the word allegedly, the lady did not even report, allegedly, that Mr. Maki take our business from her without she give it to him. But now all of you see that what I was saying, that one named lady who not will live in Canada, when me said to her, well, she come tell me about she I go join with Maki. If you find lawyer, go and go find lawyer now. By the way, yes, you need to go find lawyer with him because right now him have a piece of paper down there. Him have a piece of paper down there where I had him head. By the way, I need to make another check to figure out something. Supposed to reach him by this. If he not get it yet, he's supposed to reach him by this. And you, Mr. Rumram, I don't know, I cannot confirm. But if I was you, I would look for another one. This one will be having a stamp of a seal on it. I'm not 100% sure that you may get one. But if you do get one, and you see that seal stamp on it, then you know. Because we hear you what they are run up and down and talk about nobody can sue you because this, that. But you did not even realize that all what happened on your channel. And remember, boo, hear me about boo, have me excuse people, not no boo. Remember Maki said him can't do it over him channel. Why did he do it on your channel? Because you're dumb, no hell, you're dumb. Him never do it on him channel. Because at least Maki have some form of sense. You don't. Have nothing in sense. You take the bait. Imagine you are bait him up and him a bait you up. Imagine. You are trying to bait him to make money. Him a try to bait you to put you in a trouble. But of course, him already check and know say you used to bash him and beat him. So he come on your channel and make your head get too big. You never ask the man no sensible question like an idiot. You feel so happy. See him on your channel. That's all part of you stand up when you see him. You look good. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers. AKA Alicia Kim run Maki off of YouTube. What is this? I saw you go. AKA Alicia Kim run off Maki off of YouTube. What a shame. By the way, I'm good at around the corner there. I wait and I come up with another sack of blank paper. Me have 5 bank accounts and me no have so much paper. Me have 5 bank accounts and me no have so much paper. 3 for business, 2 personal, and me no have so much paper at all. And when you get so much paper and the paper them, where you see, you not even see no writing on them. Blank paper. But right now, I'm good at a plan because the sister house where him did live, with him and Alicia came. And that one day in there, at the next sister house in there. What a shame and disgrace that you have here moved from one house to the other. It happened to all of us, but look how long you live in America from 1983. And then you, Mr. Rumram, I see you post a picture of your so-called wife. My viewers and subscribers, any of you watch the show RuPaul? Have any of you watched the show RuPaul? You know what me learn? Some of the gay, hold on, and I use that word. Some of the she men have the most women. Yes. They have the most women. Laxley Reed in Montego Bay used to come around with a very beautiful young lady. Very beautiful. Sometimes the lady used to come with icky on her necks. And we always used to say, what? Laxley Reed? Yeah, because we think he was a Brokeback man. But we were like, what? Yeah, I say. Only to know that the lady saw somebody that she likes and make a mistake by saying something to the guy. And that's how we found out that the girl that was coming with Laxley Reed was Laxley Reed's cousin. And she been going around with Laxley Reed for years because they didn't want nobody to know that he is going around the corner. He wasn't straight. So when you show a picture of a person look like a female, you not trick me. You do not trick me. Because a lot of you out there have ladies that will go with you guys to say, yes, I'm with him. But at the end of the night, you are take pipe, just like how you say skin tight and thick and ready for take joke. My viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave you right now. I'm going to walk away. But before I walk away, I want to tell Rumram that if I find myself, Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV, fighting a woman for a man, I would tie two big block on my feet and jump off out in the ocean. If I found myself cursing a woman for a man, I would jump off, because that simple mean I am not normal. But me now I will tell you say jump off, brother. Stay right where there. If you want bend over your business, or who you want bend over your business, but let me tell you something. Do not come around here anymore. Walk away. Go away and go and look for your significant other. Mr. Mac, aka you man. With that said, my viewers and subscribers, peace and love, manners and respect. Stay blessed.